Today we are going to dive into the basics of property investment for those who want to get their first investment property. You cannot run your life without a plan. Same goes for property investment. If you know your goals, if you know your dreams, you can plan for it and take the action required. It can be a simple goal of having 2 properties for my 2 kids so that they don't have to worry about their future in terms of housing. There might be someone else who wants to have a portfolio of 10 properties when they retire so that they don't have to worry about financials at all. Whatever it is, plan it out so that you know what actions to take. It's all about the location you invest in. If you do the due diligence, if you do the required research, if you do the analysis, you'll be more and more knowledgeable day by day. The more knowledgeable you are, the more confident you will be in making the right decision. Please don't follow the news. Please don't follow the media. You need to be close to the truth. Talk to the professionals, talk to the experts, research of the material which is very, very close to the truth. Once you know what your end goal is, you can work backwards and ask 3 golden questions like this. How much do I need in terms of funds to get my first investment property? How much do I need to borrow? What is my borrowing capacity? Once you know these 3 answers for yourself, you might not have the money, you might not have the borrowing capacity, but still you know what actions to take. Once you have a plan in place, once you know what actions to take, it's up to you to make it happen. There are 3 property types in Australia: apartments, townhouses, and standalone houses. Now, if you look at the pros and cons of each of these property types, apartments are great for your tax benefits. Again, you need to pick the right apartment. Not all apartments are good investments. Townhouses, on the other side, are great if you look at the right location with a lot of undersupply in that particular suburb. Standalone houses will be the best for capital appreciation, again, based on the right location. Just like you need a great sports team to achieve a championship, just like you need a world-class team to be successful in business, you need a world-class team to be successful in property investment. You need to have the right property investment consultant beside you. You need to have the right mortgage broker beside you. You need to have a really good accountant. You need to have a financial planner. You need to have a world-class property manager to take off your property investments. Having a world-class team along with you is absolutely critical to be successful in property investment. As a first-time property investor, be patient. Enhance your knowledge as much as you can. Speak to the right people who are knowledgeable, who have invested themselves. The more knowledge you have, more confident you will be as a property investor. Don't think short-term, think long-term. As long as you do this right, inch by inch, have a plan in place, execute your plan, the magic will unfold in 10, 20, 30 years' time. You just have to get started. Don't underestimate what you can do in 25 years by thinking short term. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, which will enhance your knowledge on property investment.